Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 41 with the mother of pearl dial, fluted bezel, diamond hour markers on an Oyster bracelet, model number 126331. The case, as denoted in its name, is 41 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, made of oyster steel and yellow gold for strength and durability in equal measure. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet. The bezel is the fluted style, capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textural look and practical legacy. Originally, this fluted look was made for the function of screwing the bezel into the case to ensure waterproofness. Over time, it simply became an aesthetic element, and today is a mark of distinction and is always in gold. And, on that note, the winding crown contains the Rolex logo to change the time. The first position allows you to wind the watch. The second position allows you to change the date by rotating it counter or clockwise to change the date forward. Pulling the crown to the final position stops the second hand and allows you to move the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Pressing the crown back against the case and winding it ensures that 100-meter water resistance. The bracelet is an oyster style with 3 piece links, with the middle link being yellow Rolls-Royce, Rolex's own proprietary compound of 18-karat gold and steel. The outer links are also oyster steel, which is effectively Rolex's own strengthened version of steel. Combined together, these links shine radiantly with luster and strength. The clasp is the folding oyster clasp with the Easy Link 5mm extension. Right now, this is the extension open. We can close it just by simply pressing it in, and there you go. So if you need the extra 5mm due to hydration during the day, simply pull it out and you're good to go. Perhaps the most important part of this watch is its movement. It is the caliber 3235, made in-house by Rolex, and it is perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding, with a plus or minus 2 second per day time differential, exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping. It allows for instant date setting with rapid setting and stop seconds for precise time setting. The oscillator is a parachrome blue hairspring in silicon with patented geometry and is complete with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers. It is a bidirectional, self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can effectively wind the watch simply by wearing it. The natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound and replenish the 70-hour power reserve. And if you need to set it down on a Friday evening, you can pick it back up on Monday morning. It'll be keeping track of time just fine, no need to wind the watch. So, let's try this one on. Undo the clasp, slip it in, clip it on. Okay, so my wrist is about standard size, about 7 to 7.5 inch circumference, so there's a little bit of give there, but otherwise it is a very nice watch and fits me rather well. The mother of pearl look gives it a very nice shine, and with the diamond set hour markers, it's a very attractive appearance, as you can see, and you can see the hour markers from just about any angle, unlike, say, completely gold index markers or gold Roman hour markers. And note that the case does not rise too high above my sleeve or too high above my wrist, so my sleeve can slip over very easily. So who is this watch for? Well, certainly for anyone who is looking for a really high-end looking Datejust with just the right size of 41 millimeters, and also all the diamond set hour markers with the distinct and unique mother of pearl dial. Each model with this dial is actually unique, due to the fact that each mother of pearl dial was harvested from a very specific source, each source being a little bit different due to the nature of pearl. So, what do you think about this watch? Is this size just a little too big for you? Do you wish you had the, say, 31 or 36 millimeter variants? Well, Rolex has you covered. They have a number of dial configurations, dial colors available, and you can find them all on our online store at jazztime.com. So be sure to leave your comments, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe. If you want this or any other watch, visit us at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.